I'm Eric Lenz from Come Alive Decoy Products. It's amazing what an effect this little motion has on deer. I want to show you a little bit about the Tail-Wagger Motion Kit. We operate on a power pack that has 4 C-cell batteries in it. There's a built-in timing circuit. You can adjust it to wag every 8 or every 16 seconds. One set of batteries will last you all season long. The power pack is a separate unit because if it were installed in your decoy, most of us aren't allowed to keep our decoys in the house, in the living room. We have to keep it outside or in the garage or in the trunk of the car or something. If it's 0 degrees overnight, your batteries are pretty useless in the morning. This, you just unplug it, take it with you in your pocket when you go in for hunting. When you go back out, you plug it in and you're hunting. The batteries are warm. You get a lot of use out of it, a whole season of use out of it. This is a Flambeau Redi Doe. You didn't see it in the prior video action here. This is the unit you're going to mount in that decoy. It weighs less than a pound. The decoy itself, made out of plastic, you just drill 2 holes in the butt. The instructions that come with your unit show you how to do it, where to do it. This unit goes up inside. You push the rod out the top hole. The bolt goes in the bottom hole. If you're lucky enough, you'll have a penny in your pocket, like this. You can snug it up, and that's done. The tail just snaps onto this hook. The power pack, we have a cord here that's long enough. You can lay it on the ground or you can shove it up inside the hollow body and just let it wag. The kit you buy includes the soft foam tail, durable, flexible, it'll last a long time. The motor unit, the power pack, all comes in one box, easy to install in almost anything. This is the Carry-Lite decoy. It's a little bit different than the Flambeau because it's got this knob on there. Cut it off flush and it's just like the Redi Doe. Easy to install.
See what he thinks about this. Full aggression.